Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today we will be drawing a bell pepper. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. And if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, let me know in the comments below. So then let's get started, and if you want me to draw something else, let me know in the comments below as well. So then let's get to it. So there you go guys, just the drawing of it. Then I'll start shading with the color pencils, and this is how it looks. This is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on my Redbubble shop, the link is in the bio, in the description box below as well. So then I'll leave you to it, and also I put some next videos for you, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have questions, comments, or if you want me to draw something, let me know in the comments below. So this is a bell pepper. So I did draw a lot of other stuff before, so I will put that playlist here for food. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So then bye.